Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm show you Phone Link app in Windows 11. Here you can see Phone Link app. We can connect our phone to this app. When we connect a phone, we can control our phone using this app. All incoming notifications on the phone can be viewed through this app. And we can get calls, send messages, and all pictures on the phone can be viewed through this app. Also, you can control your phone. For an example, you can turn on and turn off Bluetooth and sound. And you can connect your another phone to this app. I like this app. What you think about this app? Thanks for watching. See you later.